Here I have BLUBOO Maya, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is go to the settings, scroll down a bit, tap on language and input, language, and here you have the whole list of languages which you can set this device in. So let's select, for example, Ukrainska, and now you have your whole device in the Ukrainian language. So if you want to turn it back to English, just go to the налаштування, scroll down, tap on Мова та введення, Мова, and select English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.